Hi everyone! Today we're going to determine how we can write equivalent ratios when we are given an original ratio. So for this, we're going to be using the same technique as we did to identify if two ratios were equivalent. We're going to be writing our ratio, if it is not already given, in a fraction form. So right here we have the ratio 2:3. As a fraction, we could write this as 2/3. Now, making equivalent ratios based off of this original ratio is actually very simple. All you have to do is multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator by the same number. And you could multiply it by any number you would like. So let's start off by multiplying this by 2. If I multiplied both the numerator and the denominator by 2, this becomes 4/6. So we can say that 4/6 is an equivalent ratio to 2/3. Now why this method works is if we have one number divided by itself, like we do here, 2 divided by 2, this is just equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 just equals 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is going to equal itself. So 2/3 is equal to 4/6. We can even multiply it by a larger number. Let's say we have 2/3 and I multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator by 7. Again, 7 divided by 7 is just equal to 1. So essentially, I'm just multiplying 2/3 by 1. So this becomes 14/21. Now that we have our ratios, these are just two examples over here, but you can have any infinite number of equivalent ratios since you can multiply it by any number other than 0, obviously, because if you multiply it by 0, first of all, if we look at 0 divided by 0, this is an undefined answer. You can't really perform the operation 0 divided by 0 either way. And also, that would, even if we were to ignore that, if we were to multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator by 0, you would just get the answer of 0. So other than 0, you can multiply 2/3 by any number. It can even be a negative number. For example, let's take 2/3 times -2/-2. This is going to equal -4/-6, which these negatives would cancel out. So you would have 4/6, which is the exact same number that we have right over here. So this is how you write equivalent ratios. And of course, you can write this in any other form. We can write this as 4/6 like this, or using words like this. Similarly, we can write this using colon notation, as well as using words 14 to 21. And that's how you write equivalent ratios. For more personalized tutoring and to practice online using our online assessments, make sure to check out Prepaze.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up below. And if there are any specific topics that you would like me to cover, make sure to leave that in the comments section as well. I'll see you all in my next video.